Babawe. Then I said, bikini no. Say bikini analysis.
Normal wetri.
Unsa me no can say akokwa. Unhu nyama bi say ya. Unsa na efe.
Yeah.
Unsa unhu nyama bi. Unsa oba no hu ne koko kakra.
Ba me say dan hu ne yi. Esro ho ne fam ho.
Akokwa wo dwane dodo. As a picture na your fa abro so. Trobo ye nko ne kakra akokwa.
Me ko weekend do.
Unsa unhu bikini ya. Unsa so be ka betafu ano kakra.
Yeah, sure.
Akokwa so hu ne bo ne kakra. Aso hu eba downtown nso kakra.
Sure.
Ba akokwa so be hu ni nyina de bia me ka se nkomo.
Yeah.
Oh, ba me ni jo.
Nkomo na wie no.
Me no betena. Kakra. O to chocolate kakra.
Na wo boka kakra.
Jollof kakra. Oh akokra. Ebu aka you kra petrol se de no so yesi kakra. Ni nyina kakra. One day no, we nyina beba for ma be hu bibia. That is how I see pose and service. Yes. So I hasten slowly.
Okay.
I don't know because I don't meet different professors upon. I don't make be musa dankwa. That is my view. As a purely science student all my life, I know say science and data is never absolute.
Yeah.
I analyze food in 50 billion. Obviously analyze the different because our form
sure.
Or traffic population or from and it will make sense.
Yeah.
So data or science is never sacrosanct. Akwa hu doctor ni bi aka say konum so bulo beto da so bulo medicine. So science is never absolute. So therefore obi ye pose and answer survey bia take ni pane out. You ade ba ya analyze it. Set poll ni ade ni event na wo poll on and o survey no nsi nko ade. It gives you a room to work on it. Yakwa election instead of yesu ba kwenya na say akoka say NDC be win and akokwa it was based on fact. Feature the buyer, EIU the buyer, Global Info Analytics the buyer, NCC am I a glimpse of it, Afrobarometer am I a glimpse of it. If I stand on 5 surveys and predict an election, now what do we most Sibasa and Yano cra or based on what? Here. So what this bikini is telling us is that when you see something, for you to get the full picture, you need to put in the work.
Yeah.
Now I go to the data. Musa Dankwa in a survey. And no, I'm on TikTok. Let me just because I'm from methodology. That's what I've known.
Yeah.
On the MPP delegate, I go and take away 2,000 and a Kasai across 263 constituencies.
Yeah.
Me catch us by the incremental numbers. Some year about 40% of the count Congress. The MPP delegate structure roughly is around 240,000.
Right.
So based on just these numbers, this 2,000 is a microcosm of the larger picture. There were 275 constituencies. So meaning that only 263 kasa, roughly about 12 constituencies there were cover on it. So the data, and then research, the limitations of the research. May a research on teenage pregnancy in Ofodukrum. I cannot extrapolate and say that is the picture for Ashanti region. It's a limitation of the region. My data is based on the Ofodukrum constituency or the district.
Yeah.
So that is the background. Oh yeah, no, say a general secretary race now. Justin Kodia Frimpong NLD 44%. Neo Bene Kaka Henry Kokufu 6%. Eugene Encheno Monene Kasai 4%. Dr. Charles Jamana 2%. Sylvester Tete 2%. Akokwa Busame honest viewer. I think there's a fair representation.
Yeah.
But things like they will keep JFK. The reason is that Akokwa they be a Kasa one for say be a saying that means and crowd. That's the man that's true. But I don't think there's anybody in the NDC today when it comes popular vote apart from John Dramani Mahama who beat a saying Ketia. He's built formidability with time.
Yeah.
Akwa 2005. Omoletin is a general secretary, you know. He was also in his 40s.
Yeah.
He built momentum, he built experience with time. And today, the formidable nature, no, it's come to bear on the NDC. Some people were saying Ketia more than be currently within the party. Party became a new baby, you know.
Yeah.
That is the fact. And this gentleman, I believe, say Akokwa, the expectations were too much. You see, unfortunately for him, he had a president who, per the MPP's own research, was Tintin Tirinti. So I use the word intransigent. What's the meaning of intransigent in Chi? Tintin Tirinti. And this gentleman couldn't stand up to him. That is also a fact. But I feel like he needs time. Kwa o he din na ba ni nyina na good materials. But I believe say by age and maybe experience because Oma be obi enu the general secretary that based on my leanings. Because when I be judge former MP Subin Isaac Achesiama former MP Achimam Punia sports minister, I believe some man a bit more time to help him. I believe that he will go into the position with more tact now.
Yeah.
And I can say I never come am the pen and say brother na be more open declaration here no. You cannot clearly see so yes I didn't be.
Right.
If you be honest with ourselves. He didn't do that. I feel say he needs a bit of time. If they give him the position again, the delegates of the MPP in their own wisdom, I believe he can do a good job.
Sure.
I believe so. Oman is our time now. Obey. Then it came to the chairmanship. My member chairmanship Tanzania Abaha. And I'll stay a bit of time here. Chairmanship, according to Musa Dankwano, 32%. But even before I go there, the undecided when it comes to the general secretary is 36%. I quite the 36% kakufu no saying it's the same as what almost this is 42%.
Right.
So meaning that this data came with we are and I guess saying 22, right? If you're able to convince these people, if you're able to let these people buy into your policies, especially when you are here, you can improve your lot.
Yeah.
That is the advantage of this. And Wontumi is good. He has the funds and everything. But in the legal battles done in him. The MPP, as we speak, will not have the time to wait for him.
Yeah. Yeah.
They will not have the time to wait for him. Okoye Director General was Siga, state interest and government something. Omo time na medina kase oh tobo kase na omo I think he's a good material for the MPP. What's our temperament, you know? You can't really have issues with him.
But currently, we have statistics.
Yeah.
Wontumi is also not doing bad.
Not doing bad.
23%.
Yes.
So if they won't decide no it means he's going somewhere. What is it? Odi Mr. Winnie Mayena. Say legal battles now.
No.
And maybe a bit me any effect. Said you can maybe a court. How you say now also a campaign other place.
When you yeah. Who's that Steven in team? One of the accusations is what he was not too present because of ill health.
Right.
So that's what I'm saying. I'm not saying that it's not a good material. Say be a first vice chair.
That could be okay.
Then he can step in when the chairman is not there, but to lead it in the day. Let's see how it goes.
Right.
On the primaries, let me wrap up for 1 minute. On the primaries, Dr. Bawumia leading. I feel that the gap, I may disagree with the gap a little bit. But the young one, I believe that this election will be a cliffhanger. Right. Cliffhanger, I'm sure come now, when a football competition is too close, the belief is that it too close. I don't believe Bawumia will win so convincingly. First one, only 61%, Kennedy 37%, meaning that almost 4 out of MPP delegates believed in Ken, 6 believed in Bawumia. I believe that will be closer this time.
Try a post recently, not too long ago. I think Kennedy was leading. And so if there could be differences, expect a bit to, large like this.
So that's that. Because of time to me the way in BC. I got my third presentation BC and I got presentation memo Boadu. This week, you know, Pabranti Asem. What trend the Pamba